I started getting interest in art in the 8th grade. I had an art teacher that was very good at what she did. I took art classes in high school, drawing classes and design classes my first year of college. When I started welding, I began tinkering around with ideas of putting metal together into sculptures. I started teaching art. I could draw and I could paint, and I could teach drawing and painting, but I wanted to teach more, so I took some pottery classes. And the first time I ever sat down at a pottery wheel, I felt like I was home. I loved the idea of taking a lump of clay and making it into something that it wasn't, making it into something that could even be beautiful. Every single one of us have a skill level. All of our skill levels are different, but every one of us have a skill level, and we all have creativity. What I like about art is if I give an assignment to 25 different people, what I get in return is 25 different versions of the same assignment, because we are all creative in our own way, and we all have our own ideas about what it is that's being said or what it is that's being thought. If you have the idea that you would like to be creative, or you don't think you're creative, take the lump of clay, get it in your hands and play with it and see what happens. I'm Joe Morgan. I have Studio 5 at the Chicken Farm Art Center, and this is what I do.